I am Dr. Aristotle Ganesan. In this session, we are going to see methanol fuel cell. In the previous sessions, we have seen hydrogen PEM based fuel cell. In this session, we are going to see methanol fuel cell. We call it as a direct methanol fuel cell or DMFC. This is a direct methanol fuel cell. In the previous sessions, we have seen a hydrogen fuel cell. In this methanol fuel cell, you can see the oxygen is flowing through the cylinder, and the flow has been controlled by this mass flow controller. This is a mass flow controller. Now I have set 100 ml per minute. So the oxygen is flowing through the fuel cell and coming out through this tube, one in and one out. In this methanol fuel cell, the methanol solution is flowing through this peristaltic pump. Methanol solution is here. Various molarities we can take based on the performance, and from this methanol fuel cell beaker, it is going through this way, through peristaltic pump it is coming again, and it is feeding methanol solution in this point in the fuel cell, and the outer methanol solution is being collected in this beaker. So in here, out here. So this is the reactant flow. The other side is an oxygen flow, which I have explained already. Oxygen is flowing through this side, methanol is flowing through this side. Here you can see this is an electronic load for fuel cell, where we are going to find the performance of the methanol fuel cell. You can see open cell voltage is about 0.73. This is actually an ideal OCV for methanol fuel cell. Now this is in this fuel cell we tried one catalyst for the anode side catalyst. We tried a new catalyst, and we are going to see its performance, and it may not be equivalent to the international standard, just we are trying. So in this demonstration we are going to see how methanol fuel cell is working. So now you can see OCV is displaying in the electronic load. Now I started taking the current. In the fine adjustment I am taking. When I take the current, the open cell voltage will decrease. That is its characteristics. You can see now I started taking some 0.03 amps. It is slowly, OCV is reducing, voltage is reducing. Again I am taking the current. You can see the decrement of voltage. So now 0.13, 0.43. likewise I can take the reading. Actually for methanol fuel cell you can go up to 7 amps actually. So in this MEA, for in this catalyst it is less, and it needs more activation or massaging is required. It needs to be run for several hours. So at the initial stage you can see this is a current and voltage below 0.1 we should not go. So at this stage it is taking only 0.32 amps. I saw 0.5 amps. Now it is reducing. I have to check the control parameters and all. So this is the performance characteristics of methanol fuel cell. Actually for ideal performance we have to heat the fuel cell. We have to heat the fuel cell up to 100 degree, 90 to 100 degree. Then only we can expect the complete performance of the methanol fuel cell. So this is a whole setup. I am going to explain it again. The oxygen is flowing through this way, and the oxygen out is coming here. This is the methanol solution. It is coming through this peristaltic pump. Methanol in here, methanol out here. This is a load. So we have seen the overall performance. 0.71 OCV is showing, and we have seen the whole performance. This is a mass flow controller for oxygen. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.